Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shamira. So today I'm trying to do a house plan. I'm planning for the house which I don't really have it right now, and I don't know when, but today I felt like I should do a house plan. This is 2023, so we have to have a plan. Yeah, I have a plan of building a house. Of course, I have to do my house plan. So I will be showing you how I do it. I think I'm a good house planner, right? Yeah, and it's a nice house. I tell you something, I love nice things. I don't care who am I. I really love nice things. So guys, let me show you how it is and how it is going right now. Here it is. So I'm here planning for my house. I think I'm a good planner. Yeah. So here, comment down below and tell me how is it. So I will be showing you the results. So far so good. This is how my house plan. I don't know when I will build, but this is how my house plan is going to look like. I really like it, and I'm planning it by myself. So tell me, what do you think about my house plan? It's so nice. I love it. Yeah. So how is it